In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS Smart Pace Lawn Mower. This video can be followed for all Smart Pace mowers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Due to the size and weight of the box, we recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Be advised, the upper handle is attached to the unit by 2 wires. When setting aside, be careful not to damage these wires. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Secure the lower handle arms. Pull the lower lock knob to release the handle from the base of the unit. Pull the handle arm upward and line up with the lock knob and engage the pin in one of the 3 positions located on the bracket. Repeat on the opposite side. The handle can be locked in different positions depending on the user height. Make sure that both sides are even. Install the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed knob and bolt from the lower handle arms and set aside. Slide the upper handle onto the middle handle arms. Insert the handle bolt through the holes on both sides and then tighten the knobs firmly. Fasten the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.